How to use points in Expedia. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually use your Expedia points. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to start, you have to simply open it up and then use your Expedia account and then log in and then search for hotels or flights that you want to book, right? So in this case, I'll just select a flight or even rental cars or excursions as you normally would. Then once you found the option that you want to book, you just need to proceed to the checkout page. So just select the flights that you want, then click on continue. After that, you can select a return route and then just click on continue, and then you just need to proceed to the checkout page. So let me just go ahead and do that as well. Now once you proceed to the checkout page, if you have some points left, you'll find the option called use my points under payment options. So if you scroll down, you have the option called payment options, right? And then you will be able to find the option called use my points if you have some of the points left over here, and then you should be able to add them and then use them to your Expedia flight respectively. This is simply how you can use your points on Expedia. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.